Community Responsibility Through Organized Public Health by Layla Zurak. There's little worse than doing the wrong thing better and better by John C. Johnson. Project Scope is to describe the role of community and public health in the well-being of population. Describe the public health organizational structure. Examine the legal and ethical dimensions of public and community health services. Analyze funding of public and community health services. Discuss the role of communication in community and public health programs. The role of community health in the well-being of the population is the health status of a group of people and conditions to promote, protect, and preserve their health. Community health are actions that are taken and make sure to safeguard, maintain, and promote health of the people that live in the community. Community health is science, skills, and beliefs that are there to maintain and improve the health of every person. Community health is about disease prevention for everyone. Community health promotes the wellness of community health is the outcome of the health of the people, and community health is a supporter of programs such as the CDC and the building health communities and building healthy communities. Community health is about creating new jobs, stopping unhealthy environmental conditions, and making healthy food available. Community health helps strengthen and enable community leaders and community members to take action for their own health. The role of public health in the well-being of population is preventing diseases, prolonging life, promoting health and efficiency. Public health makes the effort for sanitation of the environment, controlling infections, educating people about their personal hygiene, helping healthcare facilities and healthcare employees to diagnose, prevent, and treat diseases. The public health organizational structure, as you see on the left-hand side, there is the organizational structure. Public health organizational structure starts with the Office of the Secretary, which is supported by the Deputy Secretary, Chief of Staff, Assistant Secretary, an Assistant Office, and Assistant Operating Division. And that's by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services of 2014. The legal and ethical dimensions of public and community health services would be abortions. The legal abortion can be performed by a physician, midwife, nurse practitioner, or a physician's assistant. There has been issues with every woman at all ages being allowed to receive an abortion. Any woman that is under the age of 18 years of age must receive permission from their parents to have an abortion. Other concerns is at what age is it okay for women to receive the Plan B morning after birth control. Unwanted pregnancies are because the low effective contraceptives, which is the reason for the ethical issues of an abortion. Women that are considered minorities have less access to reproductive health services and birth control methods compared to Caucasian women. Funding of public and community health services, such as the CDC, when it comes to making a community healthy. The trend that is impacting the public and community health is the reduction of funding. There's a need to be funding for healthcare services and nursing homes because the growing number of the elderly. The role of communication in community health programs is where nursing programs are given the opportunity for nursing students to be active in studying activities in other countries. With the United States having many refugees, nursing students can act in a global matter without having to leave the country. Not only could the refugees not understand the English language, but they couldn't even read their own language. The role of community in public health program is where the state communicates, funds, and develops policies for the counties and the city of the state. If the United States were attacked by a terrorist group, the public's communication systems will be and are being observed by the government. And here are my references. Have a nice day.